What's up, guys? I have an unboxing of the HTC One, which just released yesterday. I pre-ordered mine at Best Buy, so I got this invisible shield for free. Okay, let's get started. First, we have the quick start guide. Here's the phone itself. Here we have a SIM card removal tool. Instructions on how to use it. Some stickers. Warranty, state safety and regulatory guide. 2 HTC stickers. Here we have some earbuds. These look pretty nice. They kind of look like Beats, but they're not. I'm guessing this is. Oh, let me try to focus it. Sorry guys, I'm using the iPhone 5 camera. It's terrible. My God, focus. Okay, I don't know if you can see it, but that's the microphone. Play and pause button. Here we have the charging adapter, and here we have the USB cable. Let's put all that to the side, and here we have the device itself. This feels really nice. Let's start it up. Oh yeah, this is the AT&T version. That was loud. As you can see, AT&T. I'm gonna type in my password real quick. Here, wait guys, this might take a while. I'm just gonna skip this for now. I'll do it later. Here's point feed. I'm gonna use. Haven't used Google Now ever. tangent of 45 divided by the square root of 3?
The answer is 0.94.
I don't think the iPhone 5 does math. I'm not sure. I don't think it says. I think it does, but I don't think it says it out loud. How tall is Mount Everest?
Mount Everest is 29,029 feet tall.
How tall is the Eiffel Tower?
Eiffel Tower is 1,063 feet tall.
Pretty impressed. It's a lot better than Siri. So yeah, that's the unboxing and quick start. Like, favorite, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.